Hello, we are back today here again. आज third day है and आज के messages. Let's see what's coming along. I'll keep the deck for you all over here so that you can see. Last 2 days के जो messages. Oh my god. Can you see कितने active messages आने के लिए try कर रहे हैं. Last 2 days have been magnificent. Thank you so much for all the support, all the love. It has been brilliant. काफ़ी सारे अच्छे channeled messages आए हैं and I'm so very happy. Today there is a different level of energy that I'm able to feel. It just feels like कि third day पे जैसे gradually आपके body में a surge of energy हुआ है वैसे ही it's something that I'm able to feel. So let's see आज के क्या messages लेके आ रहे हैं नवरात्रि में माता हमारे लिए. What are the messages for today? As for some reason, I want to start off with this deck. Okay. Let's see. ये वाले cards आए हैं. I will shuffle from these. Let's see. Okay. These are there. Bottom of the deck. 10 of Wands. I don't know why it's not focusing. Here you go. Take it. 10 of Wands are here. Bottom of the deck. I will keep it here for you. Let's see. अभी हमारे कौन से cards आए हैं. I'll move the deck towards this side ताकि मैं सारे cards place कर पाऊँ. 8 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 5 of Wands, Sun, Fool, Death, King of Pentacles, 2 of Cups and Temperance. Wow, interesting. ये तो surge of energy, like I told you, बहुत सारे messages collectively, like I'm able to feel आज बहुत powerful energy है. For some reason, it just feels like the thing that is going to come onwards is going to be super duper powerful. It is going to have something to do with courage, with the I don't know why, but I'm able to see the light related to stars. जैसे जब flicker होते हैं, right? When you remember जो दिवाली में आप फूलझड़ी जलाते हो तो flicker होते हैं. There's sparkles and then there's flicker. That's what I'm able to basically see. A surge of energy that is brimming inside of you, and it's going to come through very actively and very productively. 7 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 5 of Wands, along with your 8 of Wands. This completely signifies the factors that whatever actually has been controlled or for which you had to struggle a lot, you are going to come through victorious out of it. कोई भी challenges, sorry, I think अब आप देख पाते हो सारे cards. कोई भी challenges जो आपको पास में feel हो रहे थे, जो लोग आपके against काम कर रहे थे या बहुत ज़्यादा challenging situation थी, maybe at the workplace. Somehow I was feeling ये आज की reading जो है, this is specifically right now what I'm reading through. It's mostly related to your progress at your workplace. अगर आपको challenges feel हो रहे थे, so those are going to come. You're going to be able to overcome those. You're going to come out victorious. Possibility is I just heard the word email. Possibility is that you're going to get either the appreciation or the promotion news via email in the coming. I hear the word 4 and 9. Possibility is in the next 4 or 9 days or weeks. Weeks sounds like pretty peculiar. 4 or 9 days, not कोई news मिलने वाली है. Week, the reason why I'm saying week is because of the King of Pentacles. It's a slow moving energy. King of Pentacles is something which is like आपके पास में जो भी results आने हैं, tangible results, the one that you can touch. It's slow moving, however, it is going to come through for you. I also see the 2 of Swords with the Death. Over here, what I'm able to see is that there is something that you're not able to see, and that is particularly related to the sense of transformation that's going to come through in your life. Trust me when I say this, आज की जो energy है वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक surge के साथ में मुझे feel हो रही है. Possibility also is that you have been undergoing a lot of changes requires a lot of balancing. For the past few days, you may also end up feeling like you would have ended up feeling like there is no clarity. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या करूँ मैं, क्या कहाँ से क्या होगा. I don't know what exactly is going to happen, but trust me when I say this, that there is a sense of transformation that's coming along. There is a sense of change that is going to come along. You just need to basically have that divine faith, have that compassion, and the sense of discernment in yourself. You're going to come out victorious. सन आते ही किसी भी रीडिंग में मुझे हमेशा ये फीलिंग आती है दैट यू नो व्हाट, नथिंग इज गोना गो रॉन्ग, बिकॉज सन ऑलवेज ब्रिंग्स अलोंग द हैप्पीनेस एंड द ब्राइटनेस दैट्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द सिचुएशन, फॉर द इल्यूमिनेशन. सी, कार्ड्स तुरंत ही फ्लिप होने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. किसी भी मॉर्निंग, अभी की किसी भी मॉर्निंग में, if you are able to just go out, take a stroll in the morning and just bathe in the sun. I think that's going to be like very helpful. They're going to be like calling. There is going to be a bit of a calling that you're going to feel. Sun actually is your motivational factor at this point in time period. Just bathe in sun. अर्ली मॉर्निंग जब सनराइज होता है तब आप वॉक ले लो जाके, आपको बहुत सारी क्लैरिटी रिसीव होने वाली है. इस टाइम पे माता की एनर्जी ऑल्सो कॉल्स इन फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ, सो शी इज सेंडिंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. हाउएवर, take a stroll in the morning. I feel that's going to be very helpful. The Hermit, going inwards. मैं अभी बोल रही थी आपको कि point of discernment that you thought that is not coming along, now it's going to be coming along for you. Okay, कुछ cards flip हुए हैं. I just going to take a look at that. Ace of Swords, Two of Swords, Four of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Wands, Two of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Queen of Swords. Swords, बहुत सारी swords की energy for some reason. Again, Two of Swords, बहुत सारा आपको पता है अभी कोई चीज़ दिखाई नहीं दे रही होगी सामने. आपको ये लग रहा होगा कि मतलब ये तो दिख नहीं रहा है, कैसे मैं मान लूँ, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. ये एक रीज़न की वजह से आपको अभी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. एंड दिस इज़ गोइंग टू कम थ्रू फॉर यू once you have the faith in the divine timing. I know it sounds strange, however, there are times wherein the things are not actively going to happen for you because it's not meant to happen in that specific time. आप एक चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान रखो, आपके लाइफ में जो कुछ भी होता है ना, I know it sounds crazy, but whatever happens for a reason, and it happens at a specific time when it's supposed to happen. ये सारे जितने आपके कार्ड्स हैं इसमें आप नोटिस करोगे, एक तो कार्ड रिपीट ही हुआ है, टू ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स, स्वॉर्ड्स, वॉन्ड्स, स्वॉर्ड्स, कप्स. प्रैक्टिकली स्पीकिंग आपके जितने भी जो कार्ड्स यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, दोज आर एक्टिवली ड्राइंग योर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स द सबकॉन्शियस. अपने सबकॉन्शियस को आपको सरेंडर करना है, अपने हायर सेल्फ को आपको सरेंडर करना है. Because at this point in time period, if you doubt that you know what, this is not going to happen, trust me when I say this, it's a very powerful time. सब possible है. देखो मैंने अभी Hermit उठाया है, and right now I've not even changed the cards here. I have the Ten of Pentacles. Going inwards is going to help you connect with your higher self, and that is what is the need of the hour for you to basically achieve the manifestations, the abundance that you have been craving for a really long time. आपको बहुत सारे self doubts आ रहे होंगे, but trust me when I say this right now, the only thing that you should essentially be doing is believing in your higher self, that everything is driven by divine timing, and the only thing that is going to work in your favor is that this is already here with you. Even if you can't see it at this point in time period, your higher self is actively working towards making it your reality. Queen of Cups always talks about the balancing of the emotions that is there inside of you, the feminine side of your yin and yang. Four of Cups is something that you feel that you have lost, but essentially that's not lost to you, it's there for you. However, it is there in waiting. King of Wands helps you to basically act like yin and yang में आपके जो masculine side होती है वो आपको action oriented बनाती है, and that's what's basically coming through, that you do need to basically go within yourself. Once you go within yourself, you will be able to understand what actions do you really want to take to make this happen. Divine में आपका divine, when I say, it's not related to one specific god or something, it's related to the energy that's basically driving everything for you. You need to believe in that. Ten of Pentacles is something which is awaiting for you. See, Temperance, मैंने कार्ड उधर से सिर्फ पिक किया है, मैंने चेंजेस नहीं किए हैं कोई भी, मैंने आपके सामने सारे के सारे कार्ड्स निकाले. आई एम नॉट बेसिकली डूइंग एनीथिंग. द स्टोरी इज बीइंग टोल्ड द वे इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी टोल्ड, एंड इट्स अनफोल्डिंग फॉर यू इन द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल. So why fear? Everything is working out in your favor. You don't have to essentially worry about anything. Which is, आप चाहते हो आज कम्युनिकेट करना, आई सपोज आपके कार्ड आज डेक पूरा नीचे आ गया है. while I was speaking with you all, the deck has come through. I think इनमें से कुछ कार्ड्स आना चाह रहे हैं. See, ये लगा चाह रहा है. Queen of Cups. Oh my God. These two cards want to come along. And the Magician. Bottom of the deck is your Magician. See, आप जिस टाइम पे सरेंडर कर दोगे उस टाइम पे आपके पास में सारी की सारी चीज़ें, ओवर अंडरलाइन फैक्टर्स, सब कुछ फिगर आउट हो जाएंगे. यू डोंट हैव टू बेसिकली do anything in specific. Everything is going to work out for you. The only thing that you need to do is believe in yourself. Yin and yang आपका work कर रहा है, but at the same point in time you need to let go of the control that you have within yourself. आपके Two of Wands आया, Ace of Wands आया, Seven of Pentacles आया, Three of Pentacles आया, Four of Cups आया, Judgment आया, Queen of Cups, the Chariot and the Lovers आया. इनमें से काफ़ी सारे कार्ड्स, द रीज़न वाई दे आर रिपीटिंग फॉर यू इज़ बिकॉज यू आर एक्सेसिंग द हायर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड द हायर नॉलेज ऑफ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज़ हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ. आप नोइंगली अननोइंगली उन चीज़ों को एनालाइज कर रहे हो, चैनलाइज कर रहे हो, जो कि आपके सबकॉन्शियस आपको चाहता है, आपका हायर सेल्फ चाहता है कि आप उसको एक्सेस करो. बट एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम पीरियड you are having the convoluted thoughts, you are having a lot of confusion within yourself, whether or not can this basically work out for me. जैसे Ten of Wands है यहाँ पे, आप बहुत थके हारे हो, आपको लग रहा है कि आपकी लाइफ में सब कुछ ख़त्म हो चुका है, कहाँ से, मुझे तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. Nine of Wands, आप में से काफ़ी सारे, सॉरी, Nine of Swords, आप में से काफ़ी सारे लोगों को सोने में दिक्कत हो रही होगी, या नींद अच्छी नहीं हो रही होगी, ब्लॉकेजेस फील हो रहे होंगे. आई ऑल्सो गेट अ फीलिंग कि काफ़ी सारे लोगों को नाइट में आ रहे हैं. बट एट द सेम पॉइंट इन टाइम आप ये चीज़ नोटिस करो कि आपके लाइफ में दिस इज़ वॉट यू आर मेंट टू बी, दिस इज़ हु यू आर. You cannot basically abandon the thought just because you think that something is not tangibly visible for you. You are the magician of your life. You have all these aspects and all these powers to basically invite this in. Lovers आपको बोलता है आपकी yang energy balance करने के लिए, आपको अपने higher self के साथ connect करने के लिए control को withdraw करना होगा. आपने देखो Seven of Pentacles यहाँ पर भी है आपके इस डेक में, ठीक है. Seven of Pentacles आपके इस डेक में भी है. Three of Pentacles, Four of Cups फिर से रिपीट हुआ, Judgment, Queen of Cups रिपीट हुआ, Chariot, Ace of Wands, Two of Wands फिर से रिपीट हुआ है. Like I told you in the beginning of the reading, I feel that there is a fast moving energy. This is going to come through to you. all of this is going to fall in place. It's going to invoke the energy in you, which is going to lead you to basically build into something much, much greater. But at the same point in time, I will go back to the same one line that I said in the beginning of the call. Spark. That spark is within you. You just need to identify, surrender to your higher self, and let it work its magic. You have it within your reach. You don't have to worry about anything. You have it absolutely within your reach. All you need to do is believe in yourself and you will be able to come through with it. ये टाइम बहुत पावरफुल है. आपके पास में सारे के सारे टूल्स आपके डिस्पोजल पे हैं. This just calls for one huge amount of understanding related to whether or not can you surrender, can you give up the control and let the divine bring in the magic for you, which is आपके cards एकदम से वो activate हुए and they wanted to talk. So let's see what witches want to talk today. हम एक guidance card लेंगे. दो आ गए. Clarity and manifest. See, क्लैरिटी. मैं पूरे रीडिंग में आपको यही बोल रही थी कि आपको इस चीज़ को सरेंडर करके आपको क्लैरिटी लाने की ज़रूरत है. Manifestation, you had the magician's card. You have the capacity to manifest. Is that you need to let go of the control. दो चीज़ें जो आप कर सकते हो इस टाइम पे. Clarity. Light a candle for clarity. Illuminate the path to your desires. And manifest. Mix your intentions with care. Craft your desires into reality. You have the power to do both the things. आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है तो मैं आपके लिए कार्ड्स होल्ड कर दे रही हूँ. आप स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले सकते हो because this is something that during this time is going to be super duper powerful for you. आप ये करके तो देखो. इस टाइम में पावर्स इतनी ज़्यादा एक्टिवेटेड होती हैं that you can actually manifest anything and everything. The only thing that you need to do is you need to loosen the control. You absolutely need to believe in your higher self. Let it do its magic. Everything is related to divine timing when I say it. Like, कुछ भी आपके पास में हमेशा वेज होते हैं. आपके पास में डिफरेंट पैथ्स होते हैं चूज़ करने के लिए. बट आप के साथ में जो भी आप डिसीजंस लेते हो, जो भी चीज़ें टर्न आउट होती हैं, दोज आर बेसिकली the result of the decisions that you have taken, but you have manifested also, right? Manifestation is all about what you envision yourself as. So अगर वो आपके different aspects of life हैं, अगर आपको वो improve करना है, just the reason why you're thinking about it also is because your higher self believes that you deserve it. So let your higher self guide you. Let it unfold the magic. Everything is going to happen in its own time. But right now is the right time. जिस सिर्फ आप सोचते रहोगे कभी होगा, that's not how it works. You take the action now, the inspired action now, so that you manifest what you want to in the coming time, at the right time. So this is for your reading today. Let me know how you found it. Like, share, subscribe. Drop down the comments. Let me know what kind of readings would you like to do. Abhi Navratri ka time hai, very powerful time, and I'm sure that you guys are already feeling so energized, and I so very much love doing these readings for you all. आज बहुत powerful day है. In case if you want to basically go ahead and do the manifestation, because अभी manifest का आया है card, candle manifestations आपको पता है. I'll give you a quick tip. जो भी आपको आपकी विश है, राइट, उसको एक प्लेन पीस ऑफ पेपर पे ग्रीन पेन से लिख के, एक वाइट कैंडल लेकर आपने उसको लिख लिया ग्रीन पेन से प्लेन वाइट पेपर पे. फोल्ड इट टूवर्ड्स योरसेल्फ 3 times एंड उसको आप एक वाइट कैंडल के नीचे रख के वाइट कैंडल को आप जलाओ. लेट इट बर्न. ओके, टी लाइट कैंडल भी वर्क कर सकता है. इट्स दैट यू लेट इट बर्न, एंड जैसी कैंडल अपने आप शांत हो जाएगी, that is okay. It's more on the end that you're energizing that wish from your end. जो बचा हुआ कैंडल या जो बचा हुआ पेपर होगा उसको आप ले जाके किसी पॉट में जो होता है ना, प्लांट का पॉट होता है या फिर आपका बैकयार्ड होता है, आप उसमें ले जाके उसको गाड़ दो. And while you're doing this process, or while you're digging and you're placing it inside, while you're covering it with the mud, give it with an intention that, you know what, this is my manifestation. I invoke all the energies from the universe to help manifest this into my reality. मैनिफेस्टेशन जस्ट इस टाइम पे बहुत 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 पावरफुल होगा. आई वुड रिकमेंड कि रोज़ आप ग्रैटिट्यूड जर्नलिंग करो, राइट अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट यू ऑलरेडी वुड लाइक टू बेसिकली सी इन योर लाइफ, बट टॉक इट विद एन इंटेंशन दैट दिस इज ऑलरेडी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ so that it comes through for you. Write things in the present tense like, you know, I am wealthy, I am happy, I am abundant. मेरे ऊपर माता की कृपा हमेशा रहती है. मैं अभी currently एक सक्सेसफुल जॉब में हूँ. लेट्स से किसी को रिमोट वर्क फ्रॉम होम जॉब चाहिए, तो आप लिखो या आप इन्वोक करो उस फीलिंग को while you're writing, while you are speaking. Talk about the fact that, hey Mata, I am so happy that I have this remote work from home job that makes me so happy, so fulfilled. It helps me to earn, say, 100,000 currency. आपकी 100,000 हो गया, 200,000 हो गया. So the place where I live, it's more on the end that I would say that, Mata, I'm so very happy that I have a remote work from home job that helps me to earn 100,000 euros or more on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis and more from the comfort of my own home with ease and effortlessness. Hey Mata, I'm so happy that I have this remote work from home job that helps me to earn 100,000 rupees and more on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis or more from the comfort of my own home with ease and effortlessness. Hey Mata, I am so happy that I have a remote work from home job that helps me to earn $100,000 or more from the comfort of my own home with ease and effortlessness on daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis and more. I mean, versions हो सकते हैं different. मैंने आपको इसलिए बताया ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि जब आप ऐसा कुछ अपने invoke करना चाह रहे हो, you should always believe in it when you talk about it. Things like, hey Mata, I'm so happy that I have this beautiful house that is right, that's right for me, that is so positive, that is so powerful. It makes me feel so energized, so homely, so loved. I have such a beautiful family. I am so very happy that I have everything that I would like to basically achieve in my life. I have such a beautiful friend circle. Mata, I'm so very grateful that I am able to complete my education, my studies with ease and effortlessness, and I am flourishing, I am abundant, I am successful. आप ऐसी सब चीज़ें लिखो तो आपको to an extent बहुत ज़्यादा help मिलेगी when you are working through your manifestations. So yeah, that's it for today's reading, and I hope you like it. Let me know what you feel like in the comments down below. In case if there's anything that you think in specific that I should do as readings, leave the comments. I've even posted a community page पे मैंने, लेकिन I've posted one poll. You can just go there, add your opinion there as well. And yeah, let me know however you would want to do your manifestations. Write it in the comment section. What exactly would you like to manifest as well? The more the merrier. आप अपनी एनर्जीज जैसे जैसे चैनल पे कम्युनिटी ग्रो करेगी, आप अपनी एनर्जीज को इंक्रीज करोगे, सब एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करोगे. So this helps in increasing your chances for the manifestations as well to come to reality, because they're like, you know, community power बनती है. You share the energy, you support each other, so it definitely helps a lot, right? So that's it for today. Have an amazing day. Third day of Navratri, very powerful. Do your best, manifest. It's going to be super brilliant. And yeah, I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.